Flying duckling. Once upon a time, in a quiet pond nestled in a vibrant green meadow, lived a little duck named Pip. Unlike his siblings who were content to paddle about, dive for water bugs, and bask in the warm sun, Pip dreamed of soaring high above the clouds. He had watched the birds with envy as they effortlessly glided through the sky. Their wings, a blur of beauty, seemed to carry them to magical lands. Pip longed to feel the wind beneath his wings, to see the world from a bird's eye view. His mother, a wise old duck, would chuckle at these aspirations. "My dear Pip," she would quack, "ducks are meant to swim, not fly. Our wings are for paddling, not soaring." But Pip's heart was set on the sky. One stormy night, while the other ducklings huddled together for warmth, Pip ventured out into the tempest. The wind howled, the rain lashed, and the thunder roared. As a bolt of lightning illuminated the sky, a peculiar glow enveloped Pip. He felt a tingling sensation as if magic was coursing through his veins. When the storm passed, Pip emerged from the pond, his feathers shivering with a new-found iridescence. To his astonishment, he discovered that his wings had grown larger and stronger. With a deep breath, he flapped them, and to his utter disbelief, he lifted off the ground. Pip soared through the sky higher and higher, until he was above the clouds. The world below was a breathtaking tapestry of green and blue. He saw mountains, rivers, and vast oceans. He even saw other ducks paddling peacefully in distant ponds. As the sun began to set, casting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Pip returned to his pond. His family was amazed. They had never seen anything like it. From that day forward, Pip became the wonder of the meadow. He was the duck who could fly. And so Pip lived a jewel life. By day, he was a beloved member of his duck family, paddling, driving, and quaking like any other duck. But at night, under the cover of darkness, he would take to the skies, exploring the vastness of the world above. And as he soared through the night sky, Pip realized that the greatest magic of all was not the ability to fly, but the courage to dream and the determination to make those dreams come true.